This is my wife's $70 diaper bag. I can't tell you why it's worth $70, but I can tell you she was wearing it the other day and the plastic buckle for the shoulder strap broke. And the thing about these plastic buckles is they are non-serviceable. The way they have the webbing stitched back onto the upper part of the strap, you can't just purchase a replacement plastic buckle and kind of thread it in there and be good. So these buckles are non-serviceable. Now we reached out to the manufacturer. The manufacturer said, well, you're outside of the warranty period. I guess you're gonna have to buy a new bag. Well, I deem that to be a defect in materials, but regardless, there's a cheap fix. There's actually a $7 fix, and I'm gonna show you how to replace one of these non-serviceable plastic buckles and hopefully save you some money. So what are we gonna do? Well, we can either throw out the bag or spend about $7 on a set of these bad boys. I'll leave a link for these in the description down below. Now these are called G-clip buckles for obvious reasons. These are actually an upgrade because they're made out of aluminum, not cheap flimsy plastic, but these are going to solve our problem. So what we're gonna have to do in a minute here, I'm gonna throw on a pair of safety glasses. We'll carefully cut off the remaining piece of this buckle. Safety glasses to ensure we protect our eyes. We'll remove that plastic, then we'll take our G-clip buckle and we'll clip it right onto that loop of webbing, thread the lower portion of the strap through these lower slots, and that will be a good permanent repair. Now the only thing I want you to verify is the width of your webbing. Most standard backpacks have 1-inch webbing. If you have a larger, heavy-duty backpack, the width of that webbing might be a little bit larger, so you might need to order a set of G-clip buckles that will accommodate wider width webbing. I have my safety glasses on. Let's carefully cut off this remaining piece of buckle. That didn't take much. Now let's clip in our new G-clip buckle. Thread the webbing through the lower slots. Let's repeat the process on the other side. Weak stuff. That's why we wear safety glasses. All right, let's try out the bag. Very easy to tighten, easy to loosen, and they hold well. Probably about 25, 30 pounds of force on the straps right now. They're not loosening up. Now there are other ways you can route the webbing around this buckle if you want to have a fixed length strap. That's something you can look into. But that's how you stick it to a company that cares about corporate profits over customer satisfaction. $7 to fix this bag. I call that a win. And look at this plastic. This is what they're selling us. Watch this. Junk. It's all junk.